Hey guys, welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. My name's DisDee. You caught me whipping up some chocolate souffle for dessert tonight, and Mrs. Stranger's right over there cooking ratatouille for dinner. Delicious, yum! Speaking of ratatouille, let's take a POV look of Remy's Ratatouille adventure in 4K while we finish up dinner. Let's visit Remy's kitchen!
J'espère que vous n'avez pas trop mangé avant de venir, car REMY'S a fait concocter une de ses spécialités maison.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Des invités pour le dîner.
Yes, here. Hein? Pour le repas idéal, coco vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it.
Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Hey, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way!
That's hot.
Thanks again everyone for joining us on this Disney Stranger POV, Remy's Ratatouille adventure. Delicious. Oh, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.